Good morning, guys. Here's Ivan Pacheco again with another video. I finally received my electric exhaust cutout with the remote. I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to open it up. Let's see what we got. I got the 2.5 inch. It comes with 2 individual boxes. I want to see how it looks, how everything came out. I'm about to get ready and message my guy. Let him know we're ready to install this. We're ready to go. Let's see what this comes with. So right here is going to be all the wiring. This actually connects into your truck, so like I don't have to worry about, you know, wiring anything up. There's your lighter fuse right there. Here's one cutout. So this is actually all attached. There's some cutouts that actually come individually attached. This one is one whole piece. I made my little homework online, try to get the right price. I tried to check everything out, make sure everything was right. There was actually pieces that would come individually separated. This one actually already came all bolted on, ready to go. So we're gonna see how this one looks. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a 2.5 inch exhaust cutout. It comes with 2 of them. So when you press that button, that will actually open up, and then from there, it's just gonna make your truck go much louder. I actually had a video explaining how that will work. And right here, we're just gonna open it up. We finally ordered in, finally came in. We're gonna check it out. Here's the second one. You could get one that comes with 1, you could get one that comes with 2. So right here is actually the remote control. Nice. And it comes with the box where it gets the signal from. Check this one out. This is the second one already. So it came in 2 individual boxes. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm really excited to install this. Really excited. I'll make another video when I actually install these. I might not be there when the welder is actually installing them, but once they're installed, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, and then from there I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna test it out, connect everything. Let's check this out. So yes, easy. It's just connecting a charger onto your truck, so hopefully everything works. This is actually gonna go connected to this wire right here. It's gonna go connected right there, and as you can see, it's 2 individual wires. These 2 individual wires, one is gonna go connected here, one is gonna connect to here. Actually, let's see, let's check this out. This is actually gonna be the box actually. So this is gonna go connected here. There we go. Now I see how this works. From there, these 2 wires are gonna go connected right here, and then these 2 wires, not those, these 2 wires right here are gonna go onto here, and from there everything's gonna be well connected. Luckily these are really long. They're individually for each one. They're really long, so like that when you put them at the bottom of the truck, which this is going to go at the bottom, from there you're going to run these wires all the way to the top, connect it, plug it in, play them. It's just going to be a quick play. It's not going to take that much time. Everything's going to work fascinating good. I like how this is actually set up. This is actually good. You can hear that. So it's like really running a normal pipe, so like that when, you know, you're freaking stepping on it, you're going fast, you're revving it, this is not going to heat up to the point, you know, it gets damaged. It's actually well welded, so I don't have to worry about that. These pieces are already bolted on, which, like I said, other pieces don't actually come bolted on. You will have to do it yourself, or you will have to weld it. This is all connected in one piece already, so you don't have to do anything from your part, just to weld these pieces exactly what the exhaust will go. We're gonna connect these after the cats, because I'm gonna leave 2 cats. This truck, it is a 2016 Chevy Silverado, so it comes with 3 cats total. We're gonna remove the third one, which is in the back. The 2 front ones are gonna stay there. So removing the third one is actually gonna create more sound, and these are gonna go right after the cats. So like that, once I open it up, it's actually gonna no check engine light. Everything's gonna work fascinating good, and like that, we don't have to worry about no wasting gas, no dealing with the light on my dash. Everything's gonna be 100% good. This is actually one way that I really wanted to go from the beginning. Actually, you can see in my other videos, I actually went straight pipe. I did all types of stuff on my truck. I actually damaged my cats, and which cost me to order new cats, and now that's what I have right now. That's the sound that I have right now, and I don't have to worry about nothing. So this is exactly what I wanted to do, so like that I don't have to worry about any of that, and it's just a big headache that you have to deal with. This is actually better than what I thought. It's kind of heavy, but it's gonna be amazing. It looks 100% good. Everything looks professionally well made. I actually got this one on eBay, so in case you guys are wondering where I got this at, I got it on eBay. I got it for a deal. It was about $100, shipped to my house, and as you can see, it comes with everything. It comes with its own remote, the box, the connector. It's easily just connected onto your truck, and then from there it comes with 2 wires. Each one is for one exhaust, one electrical exhaust. So I thought you don't have to worry about nothing. This is actually really good. We're just gonna place this at the bottom of my truck, in which you guys already know I have a couple things there. So I got all types of connectors right here. These are all for my lights, and this is for my base. And then I got a second one right there for my base. So we're just gonna find a little spot right there, connect it. We got all types of fuses in there already. So I'm actually gonna call my guy right now. We're gonna try to make a meeting, and from there I'm gonna record everything, set my second video from there. I'm gonna post it up, and hopefully you guys like the sound. Hopefully everything goes good. Right now the sound is okay. It's not as good as I want it to be. It is kind of loud, but it's not as loud as I really would want it to be. Hopefully with this, when it's quiet, hopefully it is kind of quiet and not still loud. But I know once I open it up, it's gonna be ridiculously loud, in which a lot of people use this setup just to backfire, to throw flames, to, you know, do all this kind of crazy stuff that I see everywhere, in which I always wonder how to do it. This is actually one of the ways to do it. And like that, you know, when you're driving, you see a police or something, you don't want no problems, just, you know, click on your control. Once you click control, it's going to shut down. It's going to become quiet. You don't have to worry about nothing at all. You get caught by the police, you want to fix it, they don't know you have it, you know, get a fix-it ticket, go take it around. Just, you know, press the button, go get that ticket fixed, and that's it. You don't have to wear nothing, pay the fix-it ticket, and you're all set. So this is really exciting for me. This is something that, you know, hopefully you guys like. If you guys like it, just go on, get on eBay, get on Amazon. They have it anywhere. You could just go on Google as well and just type it in. To make sure you get the right size for your truck, because I had to ask my guy what size I had. I do have a 3-inch, but where my cats are at, I actually have a 2.5-inch. So from my headers to my cats is 2.5, and then from there is gonna go 3-inch to my Borla, and then my Borla is actually another 2.5. So in between the cats and the Borla is a 3-inch. Other than that, I have 2.5-inch. So make sure what you have is 100% correct, because the specs really matter. If not, none of this is gonna fit. In which my guy is gonna have to remake all my piping, which is gonna take a while for that. It's probably gonna take the whole day for him to do it, but it's gonna be 100% worth it. I'm gonna enjoy it, I'm gonna love it, and hopefully it comes out exactly as I expected to come out. So far, everything modification I've done to the truck on sound wise, it has came out exactly how I wanted. Just like this setup that I have, I had to fix it. I didn't want to, right when they passed that law, you can't have loud trucks, that's when I fixed it. But right now, I just want to make it loud and quiet whenever I want, so I don't have to be dealing with the police, dealing with, oh my god, I can't step on it right now because there's a lot of police officers around me. With this, I can literally just tune it up whenever I want, just go at it and just quiet it down. Also, another problem that I have right here is that I'll be dealing with the neighbors. The neighbors are like, oh no, it's too loud. With this, at least I could quiet it down. When I turn it up in the morning, it's gonna be quiet. When I wanna go out somewhere, I wanna race, I can make it loud again. And it's just gonna be so much simple and easier for everyone. It's just gonna be so much simple for me. and I don't have to be dealing with anything. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys are waiting for this actually to come out, and I'll show you guys a video once I get everything installed. Hopefully by the time I go pick up the truck, he still has it on top of the machine, so like that I could record at the bottom how he does it. If I actually stay in, because he could do it kind of quick, I'll actually stay there and record the whole setup that he does, the piping, the whole video. I'll try to get it done, but for sure I'll get it done once it's down. If I could get down there and record how it opens and shuts down, then I'm gonna do that as well. But I'm definitely gonna try to get every detail that I can to show you guys how this works. But it's really simple. At least this setup is really simple. It doesn't have to take with any wiring. You don't have to play with anything. A lot of people tell me that it's really difficult to do. You have to connect this and that. This is really simple. Like I said, you just connect this. It's like you're connecting a charger. You don't have to worry about it. Just plug it in right there. You have your 2 pluggers, and as you have your 2 individual ones, you just plug it in, plug and play. Literally, it's just going to be really simple. You don't have to deal with anything at all. No welding aside from just welding the pipes onto your headers. Onto your cats, and that's it. You don't have to worry about nothing. Like I said, with this, I can actually keep my cats, so no check engine light. I know with a lot of Chevy Silverados, if you have a check engine light, your truck is not gonna remote start work. So at least with this, my truck is gonna remote start work still, so I don't have to worry about any of those issues. And with this, I could pass smog, I could pass everything. It's like literally I did not do any modification. I could still get the sound that I really wanted to get. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm actually gonna turn it in. I'm gonna turn in my truck, make a video, post it, and once I get it done, I'm gonna start recording again, and from there we're gonna start showing you guys what this baby can do, and hopefully you guys like the sound. And from there, I'm gonna start launching and revving and doing all this crazy stuff, and so you guys can get more of an idea of what difference this can actually make on your truck. And yes, they have it for all types of cars. The only reason I actually learned about this or even met this idea was because of my friend. He had a Miata. He actually installed it on his Miata, but he only installed one on his Miata. It wasn't this kind of setup. It was different. Like I was saying, his was more difficult, but he installed it. This, he had to connect everything together actually, unlike mine that's all connected. And then he had a remote start. He connected it on his actual remote though. I don't know how he did that, but I'd rather keep my own individual remote. And then he just came by, he turned it on, he pressed the button, and it became really loud. He started revving it, started backfiring, throwing flames, doing all this crazy stuff. And I don't know where he pressed the button again, and it sounded stock. Like the Miata sounded so stock that I didn't even understand what was going on at the moment until he explained it. And I was just like, that's really smart. That's a super smart idea. That's something I definitely want to do. And now that I have it, it's just like, I just can't believe it. And it's really gonna come true, and I'm gonna make it happen. So hopefully you guys even like the setup, so you guys could check it out for your individual car or truck. For the car, I'm not sure if it's gonna look like this, but for the truck, everywhere I looked at it, it looks exactly like this. It's just either the piping is gonna be a little bit more differently formed, or this piece is gonna look different. But for cars, I really don't know exactly how it looks, but at least you guys get an idea. If you guys have a Chevy Silverado from a 2014, maybe even to a 2018, this is how it looks. Like I said, I recommend going on eBay. That's where I got it, for around $100. They are different prices on eBay. I found one for $135. I was about to buy it. I started searching a little bit more and found this one, and they're all the same material. Try to read the ratings, try to read everything, the description, to make sure that people actually are fascinated. I'm actually going to leave a review on this one from me, and I'm gonna start telling people to go there. Hopefully they enjoy it, hopefully they like it, and hopefully I'm satisfied. But so far I am satisfied. It is exactly as described, and I just can't wait to put this on. So hopefully I see you guys again once I put this on, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how everything works. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video once I put this on. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a good day, guys.